How do I connect a USB headset to my Xbox?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of connecting a USB headset to your Xbox. It's a fairly simple process but can be a bit confusing if you're doing it for the first time. Don't worry. We're here to make things as easy as possible.
Can you connect a USB headset directly to Xbox?
The short answer is, unfortunately, no. Xbox consoles do not support direct USB audio. While Xbox does have a USB port, it's not designed to handle audio signals from a USB headset. But don't fret. We have a workaround for you.
What do you need to connect USB headset to Xbox?
Here are the things you will need to connect your USB headset to your Xbox. 1. A USB headset. 2. An Xbox console. 3. A 3.5mm audio cable, most likely included with your headset. 4. A TV or monitor with a headphone jack. Alternatively, a USB to 3.5mm adapter can be used if your headset doesn't have a 3.5mm cable.
Steps to connect USB headset to Xbox.
Now let's move on to the steps to connect your USB headset to your Xbox. 1. First, turn on your Xbox console and your TV or monitor. 2. Then, connect one end of the 3.5mm audio cable to your headset and the other end to the headphone jack of your TV or monitor. If you're using a USB to 3.5mm adapter, you will need to connect the USB end to your headset and the 3.5mm end to the headphone jack of your TV or monitor. 3. Lastly, make sure your TV or monitor is set to output audio through the headphone jack. This process may vary depending on your TV or monitor model, but you can usually find this setting in the audio or sound settings. And that's it. You should now be able to hear the Xbox audio through your USB headset. While it may not be a direct process, connecting a USB headset to your Xbox is not a complicated task once you know the steps. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're now ready to enjoy your gaming with high-quality audio from your USB headset. Until next time, happy gaming!